Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo?
Where you at?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video. And as y'all can see, we got the gloves out. That means we finna get dirty. Today we are going to be undoing the wiring harness on the L59, and then we're also gonna be starting on replacing the internals on it as well. I may be a little bit more descriptive just in case there's somebody doing the same thing that I'm doing that you can follow along. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start getting dirty. Ooh. As y'all can see, we got top part of it disassembled at least. I did not get a chance to time lapse it. I got a little bit of footage, but I didn't get all of it, but we do got it pretty much down. I got the intake manifold off, got the transmission off, got the exhaust manifolds off. I had to end up cutting that side off because I couldn't get it around the oil dipstick tube. This is where we're at with it right now. We also got the front accessories off. We got the alternator bracket off. We got the water pump off. The engine is pretty much exposed now. I'll probably pick it back up tomorrow. I'll go ahead and do the timing chain and components. I'll also go ahead and clean up all of these because it looks filthy. This engine looks disgusting. I am going to paint it to make it look better, so that's also coming here soon in the near future, but I am gonna call it a night for tonight. I know y'all can barely see me too. This garage lighting is terrible. There we go. It's not the best. It'll do. That's all I got for y'all for today. I'm sure this will be a two-part episode as well. In that case, I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Psych! So I lied. I said that last clip I was done, and I still been working. I went ahead and I drained the oil inside of the LS. It barely had any in there. I'm assuming it was protocol to go ahead and just drain the oil before they shipped it. There is no oil in it. Let me show y'all how far I've gotten on the engine as well. Coming to the engine, ignore the mess in the back. Coming to the engine is all we have left. We got the intake manifold off. You can see it's off. I'm not going to fight it and get it off because these ratchet straps have it in the way. I am going to have to put it on the engine stand. I have an engine stand. I just have to figure a way to get the flex plate loose from the balance. You know what I'm saying? The
motherfucking down
I can't think of the word right now, but after I get those separated, I can get that put on the engine stand. Once we get that bad boy on the engine stand, we can go ahead and knock out everything internally. So it's moving. I can say that this engine is very simple. It did take me a while to take it apart, but that was also me taking my time. This could definitely probably be rebuilt in a day if you were that determined, but I wouldn't rush the process. I'm really just doing it so I can learn, and then if I ever have to build another one, I know what to look for and what to look forward to. That's where we're at with it. I'm gonna try to tackle that flex plate and get that loose, and once we get it loose, we can get it on the engine stand.
Tomorrow.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, back again with another video, and today we are still messing with the L59. I am having an issue getting the flex plate off of the, I keep talking about this counterweight and I cannot for the life of me ever remember the name of it. Right now I'm trying to get that off. I've been trying for like the last day or so and it's not budging. I've tried to soak it in PB Blaster and it didn't work, so I went to the store and bought a torch. We about to put some fire to it and see if we can get this bad boy out, and then once we get it out we can get it arranged and set up on the engine stand. So without further ado, let's get into it. As y'all can see, we got this bad boy off. I had to go to war. I ended up taking a saw to it and cutting the bolt down because them bad boys were seized in there. I'll just have to find another one of these and the bolts that go to it because, man, I'm not doing that shit. I think I hit that point for the day, so I just started cutting shit. I'm gonna get this flex plate off, and then we are going to get the engine mounted on the engine stand in the cut over there. So let's do it.
Psych!